It's time now for Tech Talk Tuesday, and as always, we're joined by TV5 tech expert Nick Hayden. And I know I told you a few minutes ago we're going to install a wireless router. I may have misled you. Nick's keeping us on our toes today. We're doing something completely different.
More important.
More important, okay.
That's right.
You're going to show us a website. What is it?
Yes, the website is called PluggedInOnline.com. And what this website does is it gives you an insight to movies, music, television, video games, things of that nature. And the great thing is that it gives a very in-depth review of the movies. So for instance, there's a new one out here, Maid of Honor. And what it'll do is you can go down through, you can read it, and it tells you the positive elements, spiritual elements, if there's sexual content, vulgarity, violent, alcohol, drug. It just it breaks it right down for you. So what this does for people is it gives people, specifically parents, grandparents, a source that they can go to say, okay, my child wants to go to this movie. Well, let me get on here and see what this movie's really about. Because I know me personally, before I go to see a movie, I go to like Hollywood.com, see what the movie is, things like that. But it doesn't give me a review. It doesn't tell me what's in it. So there might be something if I have issues with language. I go there and it doesn't tell me anything about language, but I can go to this website and it tells me, stuff about language if I don't want to see nudity and things of that nature. And
most reviews you see on TV and read online, they don't get that in-depth. They basically just tell you if they think it's a bad or a good movie. And that also reviews music too, or just movies?
It reviews music video games, television, so any type of that pop culture artists. So, on the very homepage, it talks about the Hannah Montana, Miley Cyrus thing that's going on and stuff like that. And, it's really neat because it gives you just insight into a pop culture that most parents aren't up to date with. We've talked in the past about, policing your children from technology and things like that. Here's a perfect example and a perfect utility that you can use to help do that.
All right, and the website again is?
Plugged, PluggedInOnline.com. PluggedInOnline.com.
PluggedInOnline.com. All right, Nick, as always, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And we'll be right back.